So changes in matter. We also describe changes that occur to matter in terms of physical changes and chemical changes. A physical change, we're changing its appearance, but not the composition. You take an ice cube and you let it melt, it doesn't look the same anymore, right? And it doesn't act the same, but it's still water, so that's just a physical change. Anytime you're just changing states, that will be a physical change. In a chemical change, the matter does change its composition. When copper turns green, it gets that patina on it, it's reacting with components in the air and forming new compounds. It's chemically changed. So a chemical change. When you demonstrate a chemical property, you have a chemical change occurring. So state changes are always physical changes. Those fundamental components are unchanged. You just get a different form of the same substance. In a chemical change, you've got a new substance. The original substance is not there anymore, and you've got a new substance forming. When something undergoes a chemical change, we say it undergoes a chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, you have something to start with and something that you end up with that's different. The starting material is the reactant, and it undergoes a chemical change, and then you get the products. So reactants react to produce products. Vaporization is a physical change, going from a liquid to a gas state. So here we have a lighter, and if you just open the lighter by you're flicking it, but you don't actually get a spark and a flame going, the gaseous butane will escape. The liquid will vaporize and escape as a gas, but it's still butane. It's a physical change. If you flick it the correct way and you get a spark and a flame, now we have butane vaporizing and coming out here, but now it's undergoing a chemical change. It's combusting. It's reacting with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. That's a chemical change. The butane's not there anymore. It's been destroyed. So let's classify these. Copper metal forming a blue solution when it's dropped into colorless nitric acid. Chemical change or physical? Chemical. Something changing color is often chemical. A train flattening a penny placed on a railroad track. That's physical. It's still copper, it's just been smushed. Don't do that, by the way. It's not a good idea. Ice melting into liquid water. Physical. That's a state change. A match igniting a firework. That's going to be chemical. When you ignite the firework and you get the nice bright lights or the loud noises or whatever, you don't have the same substance anymore. It's a chemical change.